Hey people, today I'm going to prepare fish kebab. Half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 packet of kebab powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to take half lemon and I'll squeeze it. I'm going to add salt. You can add the salt according to your taste and the quantity of the fish pieces. 1 egg. I'll mix it well. Now for this I'm going to add the fish pieces and mix it well. Now let us marinate these pieces for more than half an hour to 1 hour, and then we can deep fry it in the oil. Fry the fish pieces. The flame should be very low. Now I am going to flip the pieces to the next side. Let's see now. Yeah, almost it is ready to serve.